What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are doing something awesome. I've been wanting to tell you guys about this for the last month. This has been in the works. So let's get right into it, and I hope you guys enjoy this one. Woo! We were able to tell that I had ran them. So I'm going to kind of show you guys. All right. So Luke and I are taking the Integra to go get it wrapped. We're getting a half wrap, so we're getting the sides done, and I am super pumped. I will show you guys. We just got her loaded up, and yeah, gonna take her over to Gronsky Signs in Reedsburg, Wisconsin. So we got her in the trailer. It is winter. We didn't want to put it on the open trailer and get her all nasty and salty. She is all nice and strapped down. We took all the decals on the sides off. So she is bare on the sides. So half wrap should come probably back to somewhere about in this area here. Yeah, pretty cool. Very excited. At the same time, I'm still working on the oil cooler setup on it. I have yet to finish that, but you can see she's bolted on there. Hood is currently at the auto body shop at American Auto Body. They're doing work on it, making her look all fancy. What do you think there, Luke?
Just gonna send it.
You excited to see what she's gonna look like?
Yep.
Hell yeah. So we'll see you guys when we drop the car off at Gronsky's tomorrow. So guys, we are just pulling into Gronsky's. We're gonna get the car unloaded, and hopefully in the next week here we will get a pretty killer car back from them. Hey guys, so it's probably been about 5 days roughly since we dropped the car off there. I just got an email from Kyle at Gronsky's, and he said we can go pick up the car tomorrow. So I am super jacked to see what this bad girl looks like. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to sleep tonight. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how my sleep is tomorrow. Probably be super tired. I don't know. I'll probably sleep just fine. But yeah, we'll head to their shop tomorrow after work and go pick that bad girl up. We'll see you tomorrow. Oh guys, it's the next day. Hardly could sleep last night. Luke's excited as well.
Yep.
We're pretty jacked here. We're about 5 minutes away from Gronsky's. Can't even contain myself. Woo! You know, just want to woo! Keep making noises and shit. Well guys, we got her picked up. We got her in the trailer. I didn't want to show you guys what it looked like quite yet. Once we get home, we'll get her out. We'll do the unboxing. All right, we just got back to the house. Got the car in the trailer. Got her all covered up. Gonna get her unstrapped, get her rolled out, pull that cover off, and reveal her to the world. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that B-roll. So there she is. Pretty freaking stoked, I'm not gonna lie. Gronskis did a killer job on this. Yeah, I just can't say enough good things about them. Thanks to Luke for helping me get everything loaded, unloaded, taking me over there with his trailer, that sort of thing. Also thanks to the neighbor Tyler down the street for helping us push the car. And thanks to the other neighbor, can't remember your name, I'm sorry, for helping us also. But yeah, there she is, guys. I'm just going to kind of maybe go over a couple things and tell you about what we did. And I have a surprise to show you guys also. Yeah, new project. So we'll go over the car here and I'll show you some stuff. All right, so what we ended up doing is we went with kind of like a I don't even want to call it a distressed look, but yeah, like a race car style theme. And then we did the cool honeycomb, had them blended into the front bumper, which was cool. And then we blended that into the rear bumper as well. Full Bore Enterprises, they're one of our main sponsors. Lee over there builds some killer engines. He built that engine for us there. He also is building Cindy's engine. Another cool sponsor we got, JM Pressure Washing out of Adams Friendship. If you ever need any pressure washing, they're the go-to. Also out of Adams Friendship, we have GMJ Automotive and American Auto Body. We got our good friends over here at the Madison Sports Car Club. We got that on there. We are a member with them. And of course, the DIY Clay YouTube channel down the side. So make sure, if you're not subscribed, you subscribe. And our main sponsor here is Wanderlust. They're out of the Black Hills. They do motorcycle, ATV, UTV tours. So if you're out in the Black Hills in South Dakota, whether it be during the Sturgis Rally, anything like that, or just out there any other time, make sure you hit them up. Pretty awesome company to work with. So look them up. Yeah, I'm like super jacked on how this thing turned out. I was a little worried how the Wanderlust logo would look with the green, but I think it looks okay. And also, we got Olivia's name down there on both sides. Had to sneak that in also. But wow, yeah, I just can't say enough good things about it. So something I had them not do, I didn't have them put my name and number on it. We'll just use the vinyl cutter, and I'll put my own name and number on it. That way, if I want to change it, I can. We never know if we have to change numbers depending on the series we're running with. So I didn't want that printed in. Everything else is printed. We will just stick some cut vinyl on there before the first race. So yeah. And what I want to show you guys is the new project. We have ourselves a 1998 Honda Civic EX, so it's the higher end model. Has the 1.6 liter VTEC D16Y8 single cam engine. Real head turner. Not super fast, but the car is fairly clean for the most part. Has a couple little rust spots on the rear quarters, typical Honda from Wisconsin, you know, that sort of thing. You know how it goes. And there's a dang rust spot here and here. Don't ask me why, but yeah. Hood's popped open right now, so it looks a little funny. But I'll show you under here. This is going to be the new, one of the new project cars we're going to work on in the channel at some point here. We're thinking about building this car for wheel-to-wheel racing. Since we do a lot of time stuff with this, we might make this the wheel-to-wheel race car. Full roll cage, everything. Should be pretty sick. So yeah, we're gonna do a bunch of mods to this. We're gonna make her going pretty good here, but I don't think we're gonna do any turbo stuff with this one. I think it's gonna be all motor. So you'll have to stay tuned and see what we decide to do on this one. Maybe we can get Lee to do us another badass engine for this one, and we'll get going pretty quick in this car. So yeah, 2 Hondas in the garage now. Hell yeah. Super stoked. We have about a month before the first race. Actually a little longer than that, but we're going to go do a school with the Madison Sports Car Club. We're going to help out down there. try and help some new people that want to get into autocross, or some people that have been autocrossing that'd like to freshen up their skills a little bit. We're going to go down in there and help them teach that class. So super stoked for that. That's April 16th. I'll probably do some recording for that, I'm thinking. But the cool part about it is we can bring our car down there and we can give her a shakedown that day. Once everything's all done, we'll get to run the track too. So kind of cool perk to going and doing that. So yeah, I'm just like super jacked. The hood American Auto Body has, I think he's fixing it. Either fixing it, replacing it. Not really sure at the moment. Yeah, hopefully hear back from him in the coming weeks, and we can get that back from him. But yeah, oh, I did have them wrap the roof as well. I forgot to say that. It's just we went with black. The clear coat was peeling off, so I just had them throw some black vinyl on there to get that clear coat peel, you know, straightened up. But yeah, guys, I'm like super happy. Thank you to everybody, all my sponsors, all my friends, family, Olivia. Thank you guys so much. Hopefully we can grow this channel into what I think it deserves. And I'm doing things different. You know, a lot of the Honda guys build their cars and go and sit in a parking lot. I'm not all about that. I'm all about taking these things out on the track, going fast. So if you guys like that too, make sure you subscribe. And yeah, catch you guys on the flip side.